So I've been asked, some of you know I bought a GoPro Hero 10 just before we went and did the Paiute Trail. I didn't shoot a lot of 4K with it just because my computer just flat out can't handle 4K. But in this one instance, when we did Trail 63, I had it in 4K at 60 frames per second in like the wide setting. Stabilization was kind of maxed out, and it was just clamped with a big GoPro clamp to the roll cage, to the A-pillar of the Maverick Trail. Well, I finally got a computer that can handle 4K, and so I just thought I'd render out a couple of little minutes of it. I say this is going up the hill on Trail 63, so we've come out of the aspen trees there at the bottom, and now this is just kind of the climb up the hill to get up and out. But yeah, I thought this would be a good time to show you what the Hero 10 looks like shooting 4K. It looks pretty good. Now this isn't color graded, this isn't anything, this is straight out of the camera, rendered, I'll render it out at 60 frames a second, and yeah, this is just native footage right out of the camera, not even messed with. All I did was throw a voiceover down at the bottom. Yeah, so in case some of you were curious, this is what it looks like. And yeah, hey, I finally got a new computer, so I kind of can tear through this 4K pretty good. So I may start shooting in 4K a little bit more, but holy crap, the file sizes are massive. So now keep in mind that the resolution does drop whenever something is uploaded to YouTube. I mean, YouTube does kind of compress it a little bit, but so it actually does look better than this on my computer than it ends up on YouTube, I'm sure. But still, this gives you some idea. So I exported at about 125,000 kilobytes per second, and yeah, here's an idea what it looks like.